Whoops, hey, hello. We have finally reached the end of the event. How's everyone doing? Super excited for everything that happened. I am thrilled. It's been 2 very long days. Not gonna lie, it's been tremendously tiring, but I'm so excited. Like, you can't believe it. I'm really happy to be here with you. And I have a few last things to say before I let you go to the after party. But I think we did well. I'm gonna wait for your feedback on the after event survey. Hopefully you let us know how it was for you and your experience. So next up, I'm going to go quickly through my slides, and then afterwards we're gonna go into the after party straight. All right, so before I continue, I just wanted to lastly remind you that the conference shirts are still on sale on the Drone Code website. Please let us know if you can't find the right size or if you have any questions. And whoa, we are really excited because we were able to get 800 registrations. Thank you, everyone. Thank you to all the speakers. We had a lot of talks that were really interesting. I had 4 amazing keynote speakers. It was 2 incredible days. And I'm pretty sure you're going to love the after party as well. I want to give a huge thanks to the Linux Foundation events team. You girls did amazing. This is a great event thanks to you. I want to thank the program committee that helped us select all the schedule and the program for the 2 days. It was a great job that you guys did. It was an amazing experience working with you. I want to thank the board of directors with Drone Code. Thanks for providing the leadership for us to be able to provide this great event. The PX4 dev team, thank you for all your help. The amazing sponsors of the event, thanks to our media partners and all the Drone Code Foundation members. Thank you for allowing us to be here and to provide this awesome experience to the community. Want to do some final acknowledgements, especially to our sponsors, Alterian, 96 Boards, NXP, Technology Innovation Institute, UB5, CUAV, Holy Row, Model AI, and Ubuntu. You guys rock, honestly. It was awesome. And I want to remind everyone that this event was brought to you by the Drone Code Foundation, and we hope that you enjoyed the program. Next up, we got the amazing after party that we prepared for you that's sponsored by our friends from Model AI. Thank you for all your leadership, Model. It's awesome to be working with you. We got DJ Ivaldi. I worked with the DJ Ivaldi during our time at 3D Robotics. He's a 3DR alumni, such as I am. We worked together on Solo and a lot of projects and like SideScan. He's the best DJ ever. And I'm really excited to have him here with us. But before I let you go with the after party, I want to show you a quick message from our sponsor.
As more drones are being deployed, they need to be smaller, smarter, and safer. Drones need to be small enough to maneuver through tight spaces, smart to navigate autonomously, and safe to avoid accidents and maintain security. Traditional drones use several PCBs for computing and AI, making them heavy and bulky, adding to their weight and reducing flight time. Modal AI's flagship Voxel enables the smallest drones. It condenses the computing power of 6 PCBs into one swap-optimized autopilot ready to accelerate autonomy. Currently, traditional autopilots lack the high performance. Autonomy needs to complete complex missions. Voxel-powered drones are smart and can achieve indoor and outdoor navigation in GPS-denied environments, build maps in real time with SLAM, and track and detect objects right from out of the box. Most drones on the market source critical components from overseas that could compromise the safety and security of their system. But at Modal AI, we manufacture in the USA, reducing time, cost, and risk for your build. Our autopilots, ranging from PCBs all the way up to fully built development drones, are built upon Blue UAS framework components and are NDAA compliant. As drones proliferate the market, Modal AI is your partner to accelerate autonomy with smaller, smarter, and safer drone autopilots. As more drones are being deployed.
There you go. Thank you, Modal AI. All right, well, I hope that you enjoyed the summit. I was excited, and I am tremendously grateful for all of you, 800 of you that registered. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And now I'm going to leave you with DA Evaldi. Take it away, Ross.